Ready for a live example? Here's a Ford 5.4 with a broken exhaust stud. In most cases, the nuts are so rusted they can't be removed anymore. Not a problem. Use your torches and melt them off. Once the manifold is removed, prep the cylinder head so you can use your tool. There are many ways to do this, but the fastest way is to cut the studs with the torches and finish it with a grinder to get a nice and clean surface. As you can see, the bottom left stud is broken deep inside the cylinder head. Using the carbide burr supplied with your tool, ream the cavity until you reach the stud. Make sure it's clean and ready to be welded. It's finally time to use your tool. Install 2 nuts on the plate, flat side out, and hold it by hand using the existing studs as guides. Weld and cool down. Using a ratchet, unscrew the studs. If the nut snaps off, it's most likely that you're not using enough heat when welding. Bump up your amperage and try again. We're now ready for the broken stud. This time, install one nut flat and the other with the tapered end sticking out. Make sure it's aligned with the broken stud. Mount the plate on the cylinder head using appropriate bolts. Weld and cool down. Again, all you need is a ratchet and unscrew the studs. You will generally get better results using an electric or air ratchet. Repeat the same steps for the remaining studs, and the job is done. Enjoy.